Hi, and welcome to another segment of the Harvest Podcast. As you know, we're reviewing and speaking to a few presenting CEOs who will be attending the Microcap Conference coming up really soon, January 28th to 30th at the Bogota Hotel Casino and Spa in Atlantic City, New Jersey. With me today, super excited to get a quick update from CEO Mark Emerson from AI English GPT. Mark, welcome so much to the show. We're excited to get a quick update on AI English GPT, what the mission and the vision is, and let's start with that. Firstly, welcome.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
Fantastic. So give us your preferred mission and vision statement for the company.
Wonderful. I'll just tell you, artificial intelligence now, everybody's talking about it.
Right.
But we have employed the ability to teach pretty much anybody who wants to learn eventually any topic using our high definition, interactive, we call them super teachers. They're talking to you back and forth in real time conversation, your own personal tutor, on eventually any topic you want. And they can already speak in your language. Now, at the show, at the convention, they'll be able to see it, but it is real-time conversation with a very lifelike looking avatar. Now, here's what's really cool about it. We're programming now all of our library of knowledge so that they can, the avatars, and I don't even like to call them avatars, super teachers, can teach the user or the student on almost anything they want. Here's an example. If you're a parent and your high school student comes home and needs help on their algebra, good luck. I certainly can't remember my high school algebra. Most parents can't. Student needs help, right? Or you are an adult and you're trying to upskill or job skill or get prepared for a test examination at work or anything else. You need help. And that's where we come in. We'll be able to teach reading, writing, languages, accounting, fintech, computer programming, graphic designs, social media marketing. There's no limit at what we can teach using our superhuman teachers.
Incredible. And there's a big movement towards online learning these days from people learning anywhere on TikTok, YouTube, or, free online courses. How will you differentiate your product and the certifications, I guess, that people may be looking for?
Oh, very good question. So first of all, the market space we're entering into, nobody has done what we have done before. This is a breakthrough technology. And it's part of because AI wasn't delivered, it wasn't deliverable in the past into a B2C environment. Now it is. The end users, they can use our technology using a mobile phone, a tablet, whatever. And the breakthrough for us is that there's $400 billion a year spent on online learning. We're the first into the market with functions and capabilities that nobody has had. What are they? First of all, we can talk in 63 languages in real time. So we can be in any country. Right? Somebody in Korea wants to learn to become a nurse. Somebody in Sao Paulo, Brazil wants to go to prepare for law school. We can help in their native language. That's one big barrier, the barrier to entry against us in the field. A second one, our learner management system, which in shorthand is called the LMS. A learner management system is watching is taking care of every single student and helping them advance through what they need to advance through. It's giving you, for example, it'd be giving you very specific learning, moving you along. If you're not doing well on a topic, it'll know that. It'll come through. It's real-time conversation, real-time instruction, and it's never been done before, and we're doing it.
Sounds very exciting and timely. Now, what's the most compelling reason investors should be looking at your company right now? What are the potential catalysts that you see on the horizon?
Well, number one, that we are in a ceilingless market. Education technology around the world is just growing by the year. $400 billion a year with a B is being spent to learn online and growing at a CAGR of around almost 10%. So it's growing pretty fast. Now with the advent of AI being delivered to the student at the user level, it's going to grow even faster. This, I think, is commonly accepted knowledge. And this is the market we're entering into. Now, I'll tell you, this is a space that I know particularly well. I've been in ed tech for 24 years, as a founder of several companies that were all successful, touch wood. But also, I spent 8 years as vice president of Pearson Education. It's one of the largest education companies in the world. And very specifically, what I did was I oversaw sales, distribution, and creation of education technologies around the world. I was very lucky. I got to see how do countries implement, acquire, and use technologies for education. How somebody learns something in Saudi Arabia is very different than Sao Paulo, Brazil. It's very different than Singapore. That knowledge taught me, okay, here's how ed tech now in this new world where everybody has mobiles and apps and AI, we can put something right there at the end user level that they really need, that they want, talks to them in a language, and is modifying their curriculum on the fly. It's called micro learning. Everybody knows that term now. That's exactly what we're doing.
Wonderful. Definitely sounds like there's a big strategy around capturing the market opportunity and the share of that market out there. Talk to us now about monetization models and the main revenue drivers that will, obviously looking forward, what that'll look like, and then how the company will scale.
Yeah. We will be using models that are known and proven, and we don't need to reinvent the wheel here. It's a freemium model chased by the premium upgrade possibilities. Obviously, freemiums, you can sell the data, you can sell advertising and acquire a lot of freemiums. Everybody knows that. It's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Google. Well, that's very well defined freemium model that has value, and monetization will do that. But we also have upgraded subscription model. We all know that system as well, and we'll be doing that at the same time. And that is really between the upgraded subscription model and the freemium version. End users around the world can really change their stars. They can have an impact on their personal life.
Wonderful. Now, as a private company, am I correct? You're still privately not listed, but a private company starting out and presenting at the upcoming Microcap Conference. Why this conference, and how do you think the platform of this Microcap Conference will help you communicate your growth story to investors?
Microcap's very selective in who they have that does presentations, right? And they invited us to present, even though we're not publicly listed yet. They saw that we are a breakthrough technology. Nobody has seen what we do, so we accepted that invitation. We were happy to do it, and we believe that the crowd that attends this fits right into what we're doing. Crowd of investors are looking for next generation technology. Where's the market going? Not where the market has been, where's it going? And in our case, this is where the market is going, and we want to introduce ourselves. So our first version of real-time instruction will be rolled out in a little less than 14 days from now. But we'll be introducing it in modified form at the convention. We know it'll be very successful. It's a lot of fun.
Absolutely. And the Harvest Podcast will be there conducting on-site interviews. And we look forward to catching up again with you, Mark, there
Thank you.
On the conference floor to bring you more updates on how the presentation goes and what disclosures you will have for the audience there. Thank you very much for joining me, and we look forward to seeing everyone listening and watching at the Microcap Conference in Atlantic City next week. Stay tuned for more.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Brought to you as always by the Harvest Podcast, available anywhere you listen to podcasts.